Yeah, good evening, everyone. My name is Mr. Anongo. I am going to be tutoring you on web development. I asked you to download varieties of applications suitable for this purpose. So I'm briefly going to make use of VS Code. For your Android, I have an application I send out to you to download. So we are going to be using this tool basically for now, and we're not going to leave out iPhone users. We're combining everybody because I know that all these gadgets you guys have them. I believe that. So we're not leaving anyone out. But for this tutorial I'm sending out now is a VS Code is a developer tool that you use to write or make your designs and content of what you want your website to look like. So as you can see on my screen, I have launched my VS Code and I want to briefly teach you how to start after setting up. I know that a lot of you have set up already. So let's look at how we can start. So it's used to just create a folder. You can create it inside your VS Code or outside, but you launch or you open it via your VS Code. So as you can see, I will have to delete this and I'll create one afresh. So you come here, look at where my mouse is hovering. The first on the list there you have as new file, new folder, refresh, explore, like that. So you go on, we are creating a folder, and inside that folder we'll create a file, a file that we'll use to write our content of what we want our website to look like. So let's quickly create a file, name my project. You enter. So beneath, still on it rather, you go to new file. So the new file is going to be inside your folder. So let's create it as index.html. Mind you, it's HTML because this is the language we are using, as you can see. So you enter, automatically your browser has certain languages that it understands, which transfers to the user interface. The user interface is just a platform where the user can interact with your website. So this is the back end of everything that happens on your website. The colors, the content bit, write-up, pictures, videos, and everything. This is where you write them. All right. So you do this and I'll see how you do it. Create a folder, create a file. Oh, my system is slow already.